In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to TikTok. Let's get started. So before this, I already logged into my TikTok account right here. So what we can do is we can scroll down in here and click on apps and then search in here for TikTok. So from in there, you can see this TikTok right here. So click on this one, and then in here, you should be able to see the Shopify App Store. Now click on the install right here. And then once you have clicked on the install, it will ask you to grant this access in order to successfully install the setup of the specific application to your Shopify store. So just click on the install button, and then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the complete setup of your store. Now in here, we can just wait for this right here to finish the loading process for the TikTok. And once it's finished, we should be able to see the general tab for the TikTok or the dashboard that they call sometimes. So in here, you can see some information wherein you can grow your business on TikTok and you can set up in here using this link. So click on the setup now, and in here you can connect your TikTok for business. So click on this connect right here, and then in here you can log in with TikTok. And in here, it will authorize the transaction with TikTok. Click on this continue right here. And then from in there, it will log in here. So click on this by clicking to agree. And then click on confirm. Once you have clicked on confirm right here, you should be able to set up your actual store to Shopify. So click on connect. And once it's been connected, you should be able to see it right here. So in here, you need to allow Shopify to create an account. So click on create. And once you have clicked on that, it will be checked. And in here, you can see the TikTok Ads Manager. So click on create new as well. And then in here, you can see the business name, the phone, and all of that. So just click on here and then sign up to connect. But first, you need to enter in here a valid phone number. So you just need to enter in here a phone number in order to integrate the TikTok Ads Manager. Next thing you need to do is to make sure to add in here the data sharing as well as the company information. So for me, I'll just put in here my dummy thing right here. Click on sign up and connect right here. And it will be connected. So just wait for that in here. And once it's done with everything, you can set up the marketing process, which is the data sharing. So just choose which one is for you and click on confirm. And then after that, you should be able to proceed to the next step that we have, which is the company information. Click on set up right here and then select the province that you have. For example, Cebu, street address, as well as this if you're an ad agency. Click on confirm. And then after that, you can see that all is checked and click on finish setup right here in order to finish the setup of your TikTok to your Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.